Where can I find my transaction ID number?
Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to walk you through how to find your transaction ID. This can be helpful in tracking payments, confirming purchases, or verifying that a transaction has taken place. Remember, your transaction ID is unique to each transaction and is an important piece of information in case of any discrepancies or issues.
What is a transaction ID?
Before we dive into where to find it, it's important to understand what a transaction ID is. A transaction ID, or TXID, is a unique identifier that represents a specific transaction on a blockchain network, or a unique reference number given by a payment processor for each financial transaction that takes place. It is crucial for record-keeping, tracking the status of a transaction, and resolving any possible issues related to the transaction.
Finding your transaction ID in an online store.
If you have made a purchase online, such as on an e-commerce platform, you can usually find your transaction ID in the order confirmation screen or email. The steps are typically as follows. 1. Complete your purchase. Once you've paid, you should be redirected to a confirmation screen. 2. On this screen, look for a unique number labeled as a transaction ID, order ID, or similar. 3. This information is usually also sent to your email. Check the order confirmation email for the same ID. Remember to always keep these emails for your records.
Finding your transaction ID in a digital wallet.
If you're using a digital wallet or a cryptocurrency wallet, your transaction ID can be found in your transaction history. Here's a general guide on how to do this. 1. Open your digital wallet application. 2. Navigate to the transaction history section. This could also be named as Payments, Transactions, Wallet, etc. 3. Find the specific transaction you're interested in. Clicking on it should show more details. 4. Look for the transaction ID, TXID, or similar in the details.
Finding your transaction ID in bank statements.
If the transaction was made via your bank, you can find the transaction ID in your bank statement. Here's how. 1. Log into your online banking platform or app. 2. Navigate to your account statement or transaction history. 3. Find the transaction you're interested in. 4. Here, the transaction ID may be referred to as a reference number, transaction number, or similar. And that's how you can find your transaction ID in different platforms. Always keep track of your transaction IDs as they are vital for resolving any transaction-related issues. If you have any trouble, don't hesitate to contact the customer support of the service you're using. They should be able to assist you in locating your transaction ID. We hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, stay safe and happy transacting.